when a secret language becomes your secret weapon. I'm a black American, and my dad was in the military, stationed in Korea from his late teens to mid-20s. He picked up the language, and as a kid, he taught me Korean. It became our secret way of talking around my mom, who absolutely hated it. Fast forward to college, where there was a large Asian population. One day, my friends and I were studying in a room when a group of students came in and asked us, in English, to leave so they could use the room. There was no time limit, no sign-up sheet, nothing that gave them the right to kick us out. So I politely explained that we were there first and asked why they wanted this specific room. Then they started speaking in Korean, clearly not expecting me to understand. They said something like, of course the black jerk is being difficult. They've been here for a while. They need to leave. Maybe we can lie and say the professor reserved it." Without missing a beat, I responded in Korean. "Call me a jerk in English so I can punch you, and everyone in this room will know why." Their faces instantly turned bright red. They were stunned into silence, completely caught off guard. Without another word, they just turned around and left the room. Victory was ours.